In his book The Total Money Makeover, Ramsey introduces his 7-step plan for achieving financial freedom and emphasizes the importance of taking control of one's money. Step 1. Save $1,000 for an emergency fund. Ramsey suggests that the first step towards financial freedom is to save $1,000 for emergencies, and explains why having an emergency fund is crucial for avoiding debt. Step 2. Pay off all debt with the debt snowball. Ramsey recommends paying off all debts, starting with the smallest balance first and using the debt snowball method, in which each debt payment is added to the next smallest debt. Step 3. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a fully funded emergency fund. After paying off all debts, Ramsey recommends saving 3 to 6 months of expenses in a fully funded emergency fund, to provide a buffer in case of job loss or other unexpected events. Step 4. Invest 15% of household income in retirement. Ramsey suggests investing 15% of household income in retirement accounts such as 401(k), or IRAs, and explains the benefits of compound interest and long-term investing. Step 5. Save for children's college fund. Ramsey recommends saving for children's college education, either through a 529 plan or other savings vehicles. Step 6. Pay off home mortgage. Ramsey suggests paying off the home mortgage as quickly as possible, using the same debt snowball method as for other debts. Step 7. Build wealth and give. After achieving financial freedom, Ramsey recommends continuing to invest and build wealth, and also giving generously to charitable causes. Throughout the book, Ramsey offers additional tips and strategies for saving money, managing debt, and building wealth, such as creating a budget, reducing expenses, and avoiding impulse purchases. Ramsey summarizes the 7 steps of his plan for achieving financial freedom, and emphasizes the importance of taking control of one's money and creating a secure financial future. Overall, the Total Money Makeover offers a practical and actionable plan for achieving financial freedom and building wealth. By following the 7 steps outlined in the book, readers can take control of their finances, pay off debts, and build a secure financial future for themselves and their families.